So this is question 2 for the learning target C2. This question is basically giving you a function. Function is f of x equals 2 to the power of negative x plus 2 for x is less than 3, and then square root of x minus 3 plus 2 for x is greater than or equal to 3. So basically you're gonna plug in 3 wherever you see x. So it would be 2 to the power of negative 3 plus 1, which equals 9 over 8. And then you would do square root of 3 minus 3 plus 2. Square root of 3 minus 3, 0. So 0 plus 2 equals 2. So this basically means that your x value, since you plugged in 3, will be 3. And your y value will be 9 over 8. Same thing here. Since you plugged in 3, that would be your x value, and then 2 is your y. So graphing it over here, you would just plug in your x values on this coordinate and then your y's on this one. So it would be 3 and 9 over 8. 9 over 8 is somewhere here. But since this is a less than symbol and it doesn't have the or equal to symbol, it's an open circle. And this one would be a closed circle at 3, 2. And it would go that way, and this one would go that way. Since this point 3, 9 over 8 is going towards negative infinity, your domain would be negative infinity from this side. And then since this coordinate is going to the infinity positively, your other point would be positive infinity. And then your range would basically be wherever like this is, starting up towards this way. So this is 9 over 8. So your range would be 9 over 8 to infinity. This shows that at f of 3, there is a discontinuity because these are not the same. This is basically finding the limits from the left and the right side, and then they're not the same since they are on different y values. And so since they're not the same value, they're discontinuous at x equals 3. And some of the key ideas were finding the domain, range, and graphing a function. And my mistakes were not like substituting 3 into the x values and then not graphing it at all.